Mars is the second closest planet to
We on
Earth and the most
Venus.
habitable of all 8 planets. Daytime temperatures are much less extreme compared to Mercury and Venus, reaching up to a relatively comfortable 20 degrees Celsius. However, the real challenge comes at
Bro,
night.
yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. Like, can we, like, at this point of day and age, like, can we stop using Celsius and everything? Can we just use degrees, bro? Because, bro, I'm 29 years old, bro. Like, I hate when, like, if let's say I'm having a conversation with somebody, bro, and they're like, you know, outside of like the USA, and they talk about like a different degrees and temperature. Like, they'd be like, I don't understand what 68 degrees means. We do like Celsius. I'm like, bro, can we just, like, bro, the education system completely failed the entire world. Like, why would they teach two different type of temperatures, bro? Like, I understand with like language system, like, you know, English, you know, Spanish, British, and then like, you know, etc. and stuff. That's much needed. That's different. But bro, when it comes to like, bro, is it really necessary to have a whole bunch of like degrees and Celsius? We should have just made it one thing, dog. And the same thing even with like the time. You know how like there's like the regular like telling the time on the clock, and then like the Roman numerals, and then like the army or military time. Like, who invented that, bro? Like, why can't we just make it one thing? Like, it's so complicated,
reaching
dog.
up to a relatively comfortable 20 degrees Celsius. However, the real challenge comes at night, or in certain parts of the planet, where temperatures can drop as low as minus 153 degrees Celsius.
Damn.
Another big issue, similar to Mercury, is Mars's incredibly thin atmosphere. It's mostly made up of carbon dioxide, with only trace amounts of oxygen, meaning there's not that much breathable air. This thin atmosphere also results in low pressure and high levels of radiation exposure, both of which are incredibly dangerous. The average natural radiation level on Mars is 24 to 30 rads, which is about 40 to 50 times the average on Earth. On top of that, Mars experiences frequent and extremely violent dust storms, with wind speeds reaching up to 100 kilometers per hour. These storms could pose serious challenges, so any attempt at habitation would require a sustainable, airtight, and
Yeah, I may be tripping. Doesn't other states have dust storms too? Like, doesn't some parts of New Mexico, I believe, and Texas have dust storms, or am I wrong? Are those the same type of dust storms? I don't know.
well-insulated life support system.